Okay, so guys, I'm currently at the site for the construction of the Abia State International Airport. This is Ubaha Nsulu in Ishalangwa, Ishalangwa South, Ishalangwa North, sorry, in Abia State. So I'm going to be showing you guys. Like the last time I made a video here, it wasn't bushy. They were actually clearing the place with grader. But now this particular side is bushy, and we are hoping maybe they're working from somewhere else and then coming this side. So let me show you guys. Okay. So you see, let me see if I can even zoom in so you can see clearly. Okay. So this is the site for the Abia State. So guys, I left Ubaha Nsulu to go to umuezela Nsulu, where serious construction is going on. Now, where I'm pointing my finger was the entrance from which I entered this construction site, where serious work is ongoing, heavy duty machine, a lot of work is going on in this place. So guys, the full video is on my YouTube channel, so you can search on YouTube Discover with JC to watch the full video to know the extent at which work has been done here at the location for the Abia State International Airport. Please note that the airport is, in almost 13 to 15 communities. It cuts across 13 to 15 communities in Nsulu, Isialangwa North local government area.